This two-light kit delivers impressively bright, even illumination for home studios, streaming setups, and small product photography without taking up much space. Color temperature can be shifted smoothly between warm and cool white, so skin tones look natural whether you are filming during the day or at night. The panels offer fine brightness control in multiple steps and continuous adjustment, making it easy to dial in just the right intensity for webcams, phones, or mirrorless cameras. Magnetic snap-on filters allow you to switch quickly between soft neutral light and a warmer look, which is especially useful for makeup work, portraits, and cozy live streams. The included stands tilt widely, extend from a low tabletop height to standing height, and can double as compact tripods or selfie sticks for flexible shooting angles. USB-powered operation with a long integrated cable keeps the lights running from common power banks or computers, and their very light weight makes them simple to pack for travel.